Now, guess what? I hate to burst your bubble with this, but no one is perfect. It's okay to make mistakes, and we all do, even me. Even the best photographers in the world make mistakes. A few months ago, I was in Bali working on a project. I had just arrived and was summoned to a ceremony that was taking place in a village hours away. So I grabbed my camera, hopped in a taxi, but it wasn't until I was far from the hotel when I realized I had no battery for my camera. I do have great photos and video from my iPhone, which I'm rather happy with. So, was I disappointed that I left my battery behind? Well, no, not really. I still enjoyed myself watching the ceremony rather than photographing it. I've made many more mistakes than this, and some that were rather bad business decisions. Expect to make mistakes and learn from them. Simple as that. Please don't get overly upset when this happens. Let me do add this. If you're working for a client and you're getting paid, try to keep those mistakes to a bare minimum.